If you're experiencing a server timeout issue in Valorant, follow these steps to quickly resolve the problem. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix the issue efficiently. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to access other online services. If your connection is unstable, restart your router or contact your internet service provider. Step 2. Restart Valorant. Close the Valorant game completely and restart it. Sometimes, simply restarting the game can resolve temporary issues with the server connection. Step 3. Update the game. Make sure that Valorant is updated to the latest version. Open the Riot client and check for any available updates. Installing the latest patches can fix bugs and improve connectivity. Step 4. Change server region. If the issue persists, try changing your server region in the game settings. Select a different region that may have a more stable connection, then restart the game to apply the changes. Step 5. Disable VPN or proxy. If you are using a VPN or proxy service, disable it and try connecting to the game again. These services can sometimes interfere with your connection to the game service. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the server timeout issue in Valorant. If problems continue, consider reaching out to Riot Gain support for further assistance.